Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can run tests from one or more packages. So let's run nRoBo command with switch by hours and then supply package names from where you want to run tests from. So here the top level package is auto. Here we can see init.py. So let's run from auto package, inside it test package, inside that GUI, for example GUI, and let's apply instances switch so that tests can run in parallel and we can save some time. So test started running and collecting tests, and browser instance is spun up. Tests are running in parallel, and it's about to complete. Test completed. Open the report, and here we can see all the tests. All these three tests belongs to GUI package. So this was about running tests from one package. We can supply n number of packages. So let's run this time tests from two packages. For example, auto test and then selenium wrapper and nRoBo methods. Okay, now let's run it. So this time all tests belonging to these two packages, GUI and selenium wrapper and nRoBo methods package, will run. So here we can see all the tests are running in parallel, and it's about to complete. So this test belongs to selenium wrapper and nRoBo methods package. Let's open the report. Here we can see 4 days past, 76 skipped. Let's do one thing. So this belongs to selenium wrapper and nRoBo methods package. Let's uncheck this first. And here we can see all the tests belongs to selenium wrapper and nRoBo methods package. Here we can see. Let's search it. All tests belongs to selenium wrapper and nRoBo methods. And this time check passed and unchecked skipped ones, and here we can see except this one test, all three belongs to another package GUI. So that was about running tests from selected packages. That's it. Thank you.